This Coldwell Banker Lake Oconee Realty / Lake Country property video is presented by Lamar Calloway. Come and see this post-Civil War jewel circa 1865. 3-bedroom, 3 baths, 2,563 square feet. Located just outside Greensboro, Georgia, on a wonderful piece of property that is a beautiful rolling 10 acres with a nice 1-acre pond. This lovely home boasts large rooms with plenty of space to grow. As you enter through the front door, the great room is 21 by 15. The master bedroom is on the main level and is a large 17 by 15 with his and her closets and an own bath. The other bedroom are on the second level and are also very large 17.5 x 15 with heart pine floors, a shared bath. The kitchen and dining room are very large rooms, the kitchen being 19 by 16 with vinyl flooring, 9-foot ceilings, stainless appliances, and a nice pantry, and the dining room being 15.5 by 15, 9-foot ceiling. The family room or den flows well from the kitchen out the back of the home onto the screen porch that is 13.5 by 12 and a nice entertaining deck area that is 17 by 13.5. The home has had many upgrades over the years, but during the current owner's possession, the HVAC system was installed in 2012, new windows in 2010, a new roof 2010, new hot water heater was recently replaced. The property is a rolling wooded 10 acres with a beautiful pond. This jewel is located in a perfect area of GA, just 4 miles from Greensboro, GA, only 3 minutes to I-20 East-West Expressway from Atlanta to Augusta, just 1 hour to Atlanta, 1 hour to Augusta, 1 hour to Athens, go Dawgs, and only 15 minutes to Lake Oconee, the second largest lake in GA.